Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday to you or whenever you happen to be watching this. And thank you for all the likes, comments, and for those subscribed. Really appreciate all the support. After a late brunch, today I'm going to be checking out the Toronto Biennial of Art closing performance for Judy Chicago's Smoke Sculpture by Sugar Beach. This is Judy Chicago's first Canadian show. She's most known for her installation The Dinner Party, which represents important women throughout history. And she's had her work shown all around the world, from the British Museum, Stockholm's Moderna Museet, and the Smithsonian American Art Museum. This smoke sculpture, a tribute to Toronto, uses colors you would see in the environment from water and sky, from purple, blue, green, yellow, and white for the performance. We had a perfect view from a nearby rooftop patio overlooking Lake Ontario, staying clear of all the colored smoke that people must have been covered in if they were down by the beach. You can also check out Judy's photography work as part of the Scotiabank Contact Photography Festival called The Natural World at Toronto's Daniel Faria Gallery until July 9th.